All right, so welcome back to my channel. This is JJ Sandy from Julida Digital Empire, and in this video I'll be sharing with you how to create a free foreign bank account. All right, I'll be sharing with you how to create a free virtual dollar account, euro account, and a pounds account. All right, most of the challenge people have here in Africa is creating a foreign bank account used to be quite taxing and sometimes too time demanding. Okay, and sometimes when you want to go to the bank to create a domiciliary account, the processes, the money you spend, and all these things, um I used to it used to make people weak concerning creating a foreign account. But in this video I'll be showing you a free website, all right, some free website, all right, that you can use to create your own free virtual bank account that you can receive money all around the world. All right, all around the world. All I want you to do before we continue is make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. All right, so and in this video I'll be showing you the one I use the most. All right, and I'll be telling you the advantage and why you should go for this particular website. All right, I've used other websites to receive money, foreign currencies, but this particular one I love it, especially for people in Africa, in Nigeria in particular. Is quite friendly. All right, so the website we'll be talking about is gree.co. All right, it's called gree.co. Now it was initially called Aboki Africa. Now it is more of, like you can see, free USD, GBP, Euro accounts for all your international transactions. So you can use this website. It will give you virtual accounts like a USD account, GBP account, and Euro account to receive transaction all over the world. All right, and one sweet thing is you don't need to pay a dime. Okay, you don't need to pay a dime, and I have used this thing to receive money. Now, before we proceed, this one was the popular website that gives virtual account, payoneer.com. All right, so but the problem with Payoneer is the reason I stopped using Payoneer now is because one, the threshold for withdrawal is $50. So if you don't have $50 in your account, whether you have 20, whether you have $45, you can't withdraw from Payoneer. You understand? Even though their referral bonus is quite okay for anybody that you refer, you earn $25 when you receive payment. But one of the disadvantages for people that are already into maybe freelancing, digital marketing, Amazon KDP publishing, that receives foreign currencies, that receive payment from different countries all over the world in foreign currencies, will have to create this kind of account. All right, and the disadvantage with this one is, one, the threshold. Secondly, again, is the rate. All right, the exchange rate of Payoneer, this one, is less than 500 naira. I don't want to call the figure now because I know it's fluctuating, but it's less than 500 naira. I think the last time we make analysis, it was around 420, 440. So you can see, when freelancers on Fiverr, freelancers on Freelancer, Tabua, Designer, all these things, you can Upwork, all this Inverto, you can receive payments. One sweet thing about this thing, and you can see Amazon as well. All right, so the reason I won't be talking about this one is because I've stopped using it. It's quite good, it's quite okay. And also, apart from that, again, they are quite slow when withdrawal. Like sometimes you can withdraw, it will take like 48 hours for you to receive your money to your local bank account. All right, but it's one of the best, the oldest, and the popularly known. All right, so Aboki Africa or Grey.co is very easy, very sweet, and the exchange rate again is almost seven, is the black market rate. I think the last time I checked was some days ago, it's around 740 or so. So you can imagine. Receiving $1 at around 740 or so. All right. So I'll be carrying you along how to sign up with this website. But before then, you can see, even you have your phone, you don't even have a laptop, you can access this on Play Store. They have their Play Store app. I have it on my phone. If you are using iOS, you can get it also on App Store as well. And it's very, very easy to sign up. All right. Very easy to sign up. So you can see, register in minutes, sign up online or in our app with your emails. All right, complete your verification. Now this is one that used to take a little bit of time. You must have maybe a voter's card or an NIN. Mostly, I think recently they started accepting NIN, so you must have a voters card or an NIN, and then you get your virtual account. Now you can share your virtual account details and get paid around the world and blah blah blah. So you can click on get started. So it's loading. All right. Whoa. It's already okay. All right. So I thought it's going to log into my account. Okay. So you click on this create account. When you click on create account, you can see it's very easy to sign up. Your first name, your middle name, your last name, your phone number. All right. So you can see it's Nigeria friendly. All right. So your email address, your password, your referral code. All right. I don't know. I will leave my referral code on the description of this video. So if you want to sign up, I will leave my you can use my referral code to be added to the description of this video on the YouTube channel. All right. So as soon as you sign up here, you click on sign up, it's gonna log you in. All right. So the moment it logs you in, you you enter. I think I'll have to log in. All right. I think I have to log in so that you will see. All right. All right, so you can see these are my virtual account. You can see welcome Jeremiah. This is how the interior of grid.co looks like. All right. So I've I've withdrawn my money from inside. All right. I don't leave money inside for now. So you can see, let's go to balance. All right. Now here I want to just show you some things. All right. So this is GBP account. I have created my GBP account. The details should be, let me show you so you can see. This is my GBP account, Jeremiah James, and the details. All right, this. So you can see I have GBP account, I have my Euro account, I have my Naira account. This one is normally like when you sign up, you have this already. You can fund money inside. Um, you have your USD account as well. Now, the USD account, everything. The moment you create, I will show you how to. You first of all verify. Here will not be showing you claim $5, blah blah. It will show you verify your account to get these virtual banks. All right. Now, Gray is also in Kenya, so I can send money for people in Kenya, in Kenyan shilling, Ugandan shilling, Tanzanian shilling. So you can see, so they are even entering African countries, not only in Nigeria. The last time when I created this account, early this year, 2022, early 2022, it was just Nigeria, USD, Euro, and GBP. But now you can see they have entered almost three African countries so far. So you can see now maybe you have already entered, you verified with your, because I'm already verified, you verified with your national, what's it called, your any of your government issued ID card. All right, you can just start using it to receive money. All right, let me just show you some of my few transactions so you can see I've been I've been withdrawing money. You can see 2 euros, 11 pounds, sorry, 11 pounds, 8 pounds, 2 pounds, blah blah blah. So I have been receiving money from it. I've been receiving money, I've been withdrawing money from this one. I also have other ones as well. All right, but this one, as I told you, is because of the exchange rate. Now, one sweet thing again about this bank Gree.co is they give you virtual card. All right. Now, the normal CBN have brought out a law that you cannot transact more than $25 for international payment. So you can come here, create a virtual account, you like virtual dollar account, and then you fund your dollars and buy anything online. You understand? So it's very easy. It has so many advantages as well. So, and you can, when you want to withdraw, you come to beneficiaries, you add your account details. All right, you add your bank details. All right, and when you add your bank details, you receive payment. All right, so all these things, they'll give you virtual account. I don't want to show you my other virtual accounts, probably for security purposes. All right, so you can see this is my GBP. I showed you initially. There are other ones as well. So there are transactions. You can receive transactions, any kind of transaction all over the world. So I believe this video have been helpful. And I believe many of you would like to register on Gree.co. I'm very sure I'm giving you the guarantee that you will not regret registering on Gree.co. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Make sure you subscribe to this channel.